Do you have to buy one of these trailer testers for your vehicle? I'm going to show you which one is the best one. So I'm going to show you here so that way you can see. Basically you have this is the heavy duty connector. This is the one I recommend to install in every vehicle. Because if you install this kind, it sucks. It's like very bad. But other than that, I'll show you the main difference. So if you have to buy this tester, you have the one that is maybe just this by itself, or this connector by itself, or you have both. So if you can buy both, that will be the ideal. Another thing is, for instance, here you can see all the lights in one side. In the other side, there is nothing. So here you see, you can flip it and you have the same thing in both ways, because sometimes you're working under the car, checking if the lights are working or not. But with this, you cannot, and you have to go out and see if the lights are working or not. With this, even if you're under the car or above the car, you're going to be able to see everything. So I'll show you. I'm going to tell you. For instance, this, you have the auxiliary. Here is the left, the right light. Here you have the brake. This is the light, the tail light or marker light. And here you have the electric brake, so electric brake for this. And this basically is kind of the same thing. The only, again, very simple. So if you want to buy them on Amazon, I can leave you in the video description the link if you want to get the same thing. Other than that, there is nothing else. It will be nice maybe to have some speaker or something like that. Let's say that you're in the cabin and maybe you want to see if one of these lights are working or not, or maybe a Bluetooth. I don't know if there is a Bluetooth option that you can check it from your car without going out. Other than that, that's it for now. So if you want to keep learning, go to my playlist. I have all my classes organized by topics. Thank you for watching. See you next time.